till it was part. According to God's ordinance, according to God's ordinance, and thereto I pledge to you my fidelity. Okay,
I, Vincent Araneo Rocha,
thank you
thank you, Jessica Juan,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love you
to love you,
till death do us part,
till death do us part,
according to God's ordinance.
according to God's ordinance,
And thereto
and thereto
I pledge
I pledge
to you
my
my fidelity.
fidelity.
Palakpakan natin ang dalawang kapusan. Pasok tayo mga minamahal sa wedding ring. Galing wedding ring. The first time na hindi niya sabi nila sa kanyang testimony, ito pa ang magiging wedding ring. Ganda naman ang testimony. Isang PMP at isang negosyante.
Samahan mo na daw, Chang.
Okay,
Yan po.
ang wedding ring.
Nakangiti pa. Bawal ba?
Ah,
Salubungin nyo. Group, pakisalubong nga, tapos abot mo sa akin.